Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we design a site on the Wix. Let's get started. Once you open the Wix, you will get this page. Here you can see option design site. Click on this. Now you can see we have this page here. You can choose any photo from here. Click on the media. You can see many images here. Click on any image that you want to choose here. So now we are just creating this. Here you can add design. Click on the design. If you want, you have themed frame here. So as this is the frame and one frame is this, we have also white theme frame. Also you can customize design if you want to. As I'm clicking on this, discover more frames. Now you can see this is the frame. Now we come to next option. We can crop it. Click on crop and you can just do cropping. Now you can also add filters here. You can see filter has been applied. If you want, you can add animation. This is the link. With this link you can share it with anyone. If you want to publish, then you can go to publish, but here we have to save it. Click on this. Now you have saved it. Get a free Wix domain. You can get a free Wix domain or connect your own customized domain. So click on the own customized domain and I am clicking on save and continue. It is saving. Now you can see your site is saved. So this is how you can create a new design site here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.